your girl is back with another video.
Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'm gonna stick with you. Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too long for a brother so cheap. And your flex so D and your sex so D.
Alright gang, so guess what? Today we're gonna get into this unboxing. I've placed a few orders from a lot of places, to be honest. But I'm going to give you all a few little previews right fast of the things that I bought. So guys, first we're going to unbox this Fenty. This is not Fenty Beauty. This is Savage X Fenty, guys. My address is on the front, so I will not show you. But it just came in a plain pink box. When you open it, it says Savage X. Get into it. Woo! Swiftly opening this packaging, guys. It came with, these are have to be the legs, the little stockings. So I took the bra out of the packaging and it's like see-through with the flowers, period, coming through with the come through. Everyone who wants to know about the heavy breasts, you know, I am heavy breasted. This is a 38 triple D, guys. We can do it. Also guys, I'm gonna pin the set over here just to let you all see exactly the whole set. I'm not gonna unbox everything, but this set right here, I'm rating it a 10 out of 10, guys, because it's beautiful. With the Savage Fenty, we got a free phone holder stand thingy, picture of Rihanna. This was cute, but I'm not putting it on my phone. Okay guys, so since the Savage Fenty was a 10 out of 10, you already know we're gonna move on to the next thing. Next, I've been eyeing this company for so long, y'all. And every time I go on their website, everything is always sold out. Like literally sold out. So I happened to look at their Instagram page one day, and guess what? I was like, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna be on the website, period. Guess what? I got up, I was on the website, they restocked, and here it is. This is the Telford bag, guys. It just came in a plain brown box with their company name here. I'm guessing everybody's doing basic boxes because, you know, people steal stuff, and you know. So it came with a clear bag like this. Also, it's in a dust bag. So we're gonna take it out. Here's the dust bag, nice quality. It has the logo on this side, guys. And when you open it, I got the small bag. It was $150, and this is how it looks. It gets bigger once you put your stuff in it. So this overall bag is a nice leather black bag to take on, you know, a trip or anything, any adventure. You can go on a date with this nice pretty bag, dress her up, dress her down. She's a everyday type, you know, girl. Overall, it also comes with a longer strap for you to put on your shoulder. The actual product, so far I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, guys. Moving right along, so recently I placed the order for Black Smoke. If you all don't know, it's a hookah company. From Black Smoke, I ordered some shisha. He promotes that his shisha doesn't have any tobacco or nicotine. And I feel like, you know, I don't want to smoke cigarettes, so I'd rather smoke something that doesn't have that. So once I get a hookah, we have to go on that adventure together, guys, and purchase a hookah. But I bought the shisha. These are the flavors, tropical fruit and pineapple. They also say that these flavors last about 6 months. So I think, you know, I think I'm gonna try them. Also, we're gonna try them. We're gonna, you know, do it on camera. Yo, so guess what? I happened to stumble across this Instagram page. I'm on Instagram and I'm like, you know how when you just see something, you just be like, damn, what is that? That's exactly how it was. From the manager to the packaging for the company, like everything for the company is literally on point. So I'm like, let me look into it. So I looked into it. It was the name of her brand really just popped like from jump. So with that, I was saying, okay, I own Glam-A-Holic pharmacy. She owned this company. Like, it would be perfect for me to have something from her business as, you know, my own personal use. So I'm like, let me scroll down and see when she's gonna have, you know, when everything's gonna be available. couldn't find nothing, so I happened to stumble across her personal page, y'all. But one day she posted a video saying about a restock, and I'm like, a restock on what? I don't really know what she's restocking. I don't know what, you know, what she didn't introduce to the people. So I get on there, I'm looking. February 19th came, and guess what? The restock was at 7 o'clock. But before her restock, she got on Instagram Live and did, like, she showed all her products. So I'm like, this is bomb. So basically, I get there, I'm watching it. She sold me, y'all. First off, the packaging came, yet again, plain Jane, just with your label on the front. So I open the package, y'all. This is how she sends her thank you cards. Like, what the? Thank you for your purchase. Welcome to the Glam-A-Holic life. It has a packing slip and a thank you card. Also introducing her other businesses. The first item we're gonna move is gonna be, who you know got businesses that sending stuff in dust bags besides Louis, Gucci, you know, all of them. So anywho, guys, this is the wallet. It's imprinted with plenty of G's on it, guys. Nice quality leather wallet. The opening is nice and sleek and black. The next item, of course, it's another wallet, guys. This wallet is a jumbo wallet. Okay, so look, this is the back of it, guys, right? Let me show you the front. This sold me right here. It was over with when I saw that. Like, I don't care. I remember them G's we just saw in the inside. This one actually says Glam-A-Holic lifestyle. It's written out. I actually like it because of the cursive writing and everything that's on it. I think this is perfect. Guys, of course, I believe they're sold out, but I will leave the links in the description box below to everything. The wallets, one was 45 and the other one was 55 for sure, but it's bigger, guys. So guess what we got? It also says Glam-A-Holic lifestyle, but it's a fanny pack and it's cute. You can fit a lot in it. It's big. It also has an inside zipper where you can store other things in the inside of it. Also, the zippers have the G's on it. I think that's so sleek. Not only that, on the back is another zipper. This got nothing but storage. The waist is like an actual belt with gold accessories added to it. Fanny pack is the size of the Gucci fanny pack and it's big. So if you know, you know. Okay, guys, so last but not least, guys, it's a big box. I'm planning on traveling this year, traveling soon. You all are gonna come travel with me. You all are gonna get vlogs when I'm traveling. But anywho, so to help me with traveling from Ifly, I purchased it's the 2-piece set of suitcases. It's a 30-inch suitcase and a 22-inch suitcase. Perfect. Why am I still talking about it? Let me just show you. It's upside down, guys, but look, this is a suitcase. It's so big, so pretty. It's nice, hard to wear. It won't get messed up. They have wheels on it, zippers, the part that stretches for you to have more room. The wheels are cute, look very reliable. This was, and also the 22 inches inside of here. Together they were $139.99 plus tax and shipping. So, and also the great part about this, you all, they come with 10-year warranties or a lifetime warranty depending on, you know, the case. This is perfect for traveling. I can't wait, like really can't wait to use it. You all are gonna pack with me, so you all are gonna see how I pack these. Let's just wait on that video. This is the last item in the unboxing. If you all like these items and want me to start unboxing more, just let me know. I'm gonna go back and put this up. If you all are interested in me making more unboxing videos, doing more hauls, try on hauls, going buy clothes, Whether it's all types of beauty store, dollar store, whatever store you want me to go to, I'll do that haul for you. Just leave it in the comment box below. All the descriptions will be in the description box below. Just scroll down, click on them. If you want to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase. That's going to be all for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the videos and even comment on the videos, guys. We're gonna do this together. Road to 1,000. Let's get it started, period. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh.